Good morning. So today I am going to explain how acid and base react with each other. So now you see when a base reacts with an acid. So base reacts with an acid to give out salt and water. So here in the reactant side base reacts with acid, but in the product side we don't have either acid or base. So both of them is absent here. There is no base, there is no acid on the product side. So we call this reaction as a neutralization reaction. So now you see, for example, if I take sodium hydroxide and if I react with this acid, hydrochloric acid, so what happens here? Sodium hydroxide reacts with hydrochloric acid. So sodium hydroxide is a base and hydrochloric acid is an acid. So sodium will displace hydrogen, so it will form sodium chloride. Then another product will be water, H2O. So we have seen, so you should always remember that when an acid reacts with a base, it gives out salt and water, and we call this kind of reaction as a neutralization reaction. So to the next we'll go. When metal oxides reacts with acids, so we'll understand what is formed when metal oxides reacts with acids. So what is exactly metal oxide? So metal oxide means it is a reaction between a metal and oxygen which will give out metal oxide. And you should always remember the pH value of metal is above 7. Sorry, of a metal oxide is above 7. So above 7 means it is basic in nature. So below 7 is acidic in the pH scale and above 7 is basic. So metal oxide is basic in nature. So since it is basic in nature, so I can consider it as a base. So base plus acid, it will always give the same product, salt plus water. So now you see, for example, if I take copper oxide as a metal oxide which reacts with hydrochloric acid. So when it reacts, copper oxide reacts with hydrochloric acid, it will give out copper chloride. So it is a salt along with water. So you should always remember that when acid and base reacts with each other, it will give salt and water. Here also it is same, salt and water. Why? Because metal oxide is also basic in nature because the pH value is more than 7.